Hello, friends. Thank you for watching our video. My name is Kani Zolam. I am a Kurd, one out of 50 million stateless ones in the world. I am also one of the organizers of our long walk for freedom. We are starting it on Saturday, July 1st. We are ending it on Monday, July 24th. The Lincoln Memorial in Washington, D.C. will act as our departure point. The headquarters of the United Nations in New York City will be our final destination. Walking through the founding heartland of America is our plan. Highlighting the Kurdish struggle for freedom is our purpose. We look forward to visiting the birthplace of freedom, Philadelphia. We will tour its venerable landmarks that once hosted the likes of Hamilton, Jefferson, Franklin, and Paine. We're also honoring two long-distance walkers, Dr. King and Mahatma Gandhi. No, we can't fill their 7-league boots. But as Erasmus put it, when it comes to great things, it's enough to have tried. King and Gandhi practiced unconditional love to bring about social change. They underwent great sufferings to expand the boundaries of dignity and liberty for all. Dignity and liberty for all are our aims as well. Ideally, we would love to have you along. Perhaps you'll consider joining us for part of the way. 10 miles would be great. 50 miles would be fantastic. But maybe you want to do the whole journey, 330 miles, or 531 kilometers if you're from Europe. If you do, you will earn our eternal gratitude and maybe even the name of a bridge in a free Kurdistan. But even if you can't join us in person, you can still support us by adopting our appeal and pledging your support for our march. We hope you do so. Again, thank you for watching our video. And please don't forget to share its link with family and friends.